Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn about Android notification. Now, notifications are key elements that help us to notify our user of a certain event occurring, or to have him, what we can say, get interested in something, or to bring his attention to something. We use notifications. In Android, we are provided by three types of notification. The first and the most common one is a toast notification. The second one is status bar notification, and third is a dialog notification. From these three, toast notification and the status bar notification are, what we can say, are smaller in size and are not that effective. But if you want to bring user attention onto a particular thing very prominently, then you will be using the dialog notifications. Now, notifications are created using alert dialog boxes. We'll go ahead and get into the code. Okay. So here we have the application from our last video, that is the registration form that we used, what you can say, as we used it to uh, add into the SQLite database available with us. So now what is different here is that we are using toast messages, alert dialog boxes, and we are going to create what we can say as the notifications in the status bar also. So the first thing that you can see here is we have created an alert dialog box. Now, this alert dialog box is an inbuilt class provided by the Android that enables you to create a dialog box that comes as a square overlay on your screen. Now, in this alert dialog box, what we are going to do is we are going to call this builder, and we are going to pass it the activity on top of which we want to display it. So this would create the alert dialog box. Then we have to set the title, that what we want to specify. Then we have to set the message that we want to see, and there are buttons that are to be shown. An alert dialog box can show up to three buttons. We are going with a single one. You can add extra buttons too. So in this we are going to go with the OK button, in which when clicked on the OK button, the dialog would be dismissed. And finally we'll show the alert message, so it will appear as a square box. Next type of notification is the toast notification. This is the simplest one and the very shortest one that we can have. This is the toast dot make. Toast is the class provided by Android that we will be using. We can use make text function available inside the toast class, to which we are going to pass the context, that is the current activity that we want to show the toast upon, the current application context, the text that we want to show upon, and the length of the toast that we want. If we say length is short, it will show it for a short period of time. If we say length long, it will show it for a long period of time. Dot show to actually start displaying it on the screen. So we have done this with all of our other buttons also, like for the update also we are saying that the record is updated. For the delete we are saying that the record is deleted. The last thing that we are going to see is the notification. Okay, so the notification that appears in our status bar is built by the notification builder. So we are going to use the notification compact dot builder class, in which this builder will help enable us to create the notification into our status bar. So the notification in the status bar basically has three fields. First is the icon that it has, then is the content, the title, the main title of the notification, and then there is the text that follows after the title. So we are going to use the notification manager. After we have built a notification, we are going to use the system services. We are going to get the notification service, and then we are going to use the manager to notify using this builder.build. So we'll go ahead and run this application. So I have emulator running already. We'll wait for our application to come online. Okay, the activity has been launched. Okay, so this is the same application that we saw in the last video. The difference is that we are having notifications here. So we'll go ahead and have a record as SD and a phone number inserted. So as soon as we click insert, this is the alert dialog box that appears, and you might have seen the toast notification too. So in this here in this alert box, we are getting the attention of the user on this particular screen. It has OK button. I'll press it. It will dismiss the dialog box. So we also had a notification in the status bar. See, this is a record inserted. This is a test notification. This is what we can say as the notification that we say in that notification bar. We'll go ahead and see a toast again. So here you can see this is update successful toast. This will go away by itself, and this is the alert dialog box. So this was all about notification. That's all for today. Thank you.